In this video, I'll show you how to create a promo code in the Stripe dashboard. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard and go to Product Catalog, then select Coupons. If you don't already have a coupon, click Create Coupon and configure the discount you want to offer. Next, after saving the coupon, go to the Promotion Code section and click Create Promotion Code. Select the coupon you want to use and enter the code that customers will type during checkout. After that, configure any optional restrictions for the promotion code. You can set an expiration date, limit the total number of redemptions, define a minimum purchase amount, or restrict the code to specific customers if needed. Review all of the settings carefully before creating the promotion code. Now, click Create Promotion Code to save it. Test the code with your Stripe checkout or payment flow to confirm that the discount is applied correctly and that any restrictions you've configured work as expected. Finally, return to the Promotion Codes section whenever you need to monitor usage, edit active codes where permitted, deactivate a promotion, or create additional promo codes for future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a promo code in the Stripe dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.